Imagine a message. They delayed my payment and locked my account. A severe operational warning. Within days, 10,000 five-star reviews flood the system, praising fast signups and mathematically overwhelming the isolated complaint. The review algorithm smooths the data, presenting a 4.9 excellent rating. The firm appears flawless. That high score offers no relief to the trader whose account is still locked. It creates a blind spot, shielding new customers from seeing the same risk. A screen filled with green stars triggers a psychological shortcut. Our brains interpret a uniform wall of approval as a guarantee of safety. The sheer volume of positive feedback acts as static. Thousands of smooth onboarding reviews drown out the rare signals of actual structural failure. While a new customer sees a top-rated platform and pays for a challenge, the original trader is still ignored and waiting for their money. Aggregate scores function as a tally of volume, reflecting the speed of signups rather than the reliability of service. To understand a prop firm's mechanics, we push past the canopy of five-star praise, revealing a hidden layer of one-star reviews. Down here, we isolate repeating patterns of failure: severe payment delays, sudden account lockouts, poor communication, shifting rules, and unresolved complaints. Compare these detailed diagnostics to a five-star review that simply says, "Great service." The positive review confirms the system worked, but it offers little information regarding risk. These one-star entries provide a high-value signal for mapping a firm's operational risks, showing exactly where the infrastructure begins to crack. A cluster of negative reviews does not mean a company is a scam. Scaling a financial platform is difficult. Every firm will experience server outages, payment gateway errors, and complex customer disputes. Evaluating a firm by its ability to prevent all problems is an impossible standard. The useful metric is the action the company takes after a crisis becomes public. Since operational failure is a constant in this industry, the firm's reaction to that failure is the most important variable to measure. This is why PropFirm Evidence focuses on the negative feedback. A company's standard operations rarely reveal the true strength of its infrastructure. Corporate integrity is easy to maintain when payouts are smooth. Trustworthiness is only proven during a crisis. To evaluate that response, we use a four-step framework. When a severe one-star review hits, we track the actions taken next. First, publicly reply. Second, explain what went wrong. Third, fix the issue. Finally, treat fairly to resolve the disruption. This public cycle of accountability represents the absolute minimum standard a trader should verify before paying for a challenge. Relying on a high aggregate rating often leaves a trader blind to the structural cracks hiding just beneath the surface. The reality of how a company operates is found at the bottom of the page in the negative reviews. At PropFirm Evidence, we investigate the negative reviews because trust is proven when something goes wrong. Trading safety requires verified accountability during failure, moving beyond the surface-level polish of a high average score.